Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good
Hi,
afternoon,
hello.
sir.
Good
afternoon, sir.
Elementary students, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Sandeep. So, yesterday we're discussing about what na protozoal disease.
Diseases.
Yes. Okay. Right. We discussed Enteroamoeba histolytica. That means amoebiasis. We discussed. Okay. Who can say the highlights of amoebiasis?
Sir.
Tell me, Paralakshmi. Tell me.
Sir.
Tell me about amoebiasis.
Amoebiasis. This is caused Enteroamoeba histolytica.
Okay.
Transformations.
Don't see the
1%
don't see the alignment words. You must say the five from your brain. Okay.
Okay.
Namira, you must say. Namira, Varalakshmi, Sambreen, Deepti, Swapna.
Gas by transmission.
Tell me, Namira, tell me.
Gas by transmission. Clinical symptoms. Clinical system.
Okay.
Treatment. Lab analysis. And prevent.
What happened? Okay. Shivani, tell me, ma. Shivani, tell me.
Sir, caused by Enteroamoeba histolytica,
No.
transmission through food material, contaminated food,
Okay.
and clinical symptoms are abdominal pain, next fever, next motions, mucus with stool motions,
Okay.
and lab diagnosis, stool examination, and biopsy. Treatment, avoid outside food material. No, sir. Treatment, drug, metronidazole drug, and prevention through avoid food material, outside food material, and use toilets.
Right. Thank you, Shirisha. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mark. This is a wonderful answer. Thank you very much. Okay. The drug is not metronidazole, metronidazole.
Metronidazole. Sorry, sir.
Okay. So that is what metronidazole. Metronidazole. Okay. Metronidazole. Okay. Clear, Shirisha? Clear?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay. Now, today, yes, thank you very much for your wonderful support of Namira and Varalakshmi and Shirisha and Shivani, whatever the. Thank you very much, ma, for your responding. Today we are going to discussing about new disease, that is giardiasis. What, ma? Giardiasis. Okay. So that is what happened, ma? Giardiasis. Next disease, that is called giardiasis. 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 Okay, so this giardiasis means what? Right? So it is mainly
caused by
caused by, okay, Giardia intestinalis. Whatever, Giardia, Giardia intestinalis. Intestinalis. Okay. The whatever this disease, giardiasis, which is caused by Giardia intestinalis. Giardia intestinalis. So Giardia actually it is a parasite, protozoan parasite. So the parasite scientific name that is called what? Giardia intestinalis, right? A very important thing. So in that one, Giardia is a genus, intestinalis is a species, right? That's why the Giardia is caused by Giardia intestinalis. Why we can call it? Why we can call it intestinalis? But these Giardia parasite, Giardia protozoan parasite, which are affected on small intestine. It means what? Affected organ. Affected organ. Affected organ. Which title? Small title. Affected organ. Where it is affected? So these giardia, which is affect on what happened? Small intestine. What happened? Small intestine. So small intestine, especially of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Small intestine of the alimentary canal, right? Because of the small intestine is a small intestine of alimentary canal. Small intestine belongs to alimentary canal, na? That's why especially main thing this parasite which is effect on what ma? That is small intestine of alimentary canal, right? Next to what ma? It is a this parasite very important. This parasite also what ma? Monogenic parasites. Simply what we can monogenic parasites. Monogenic parasites. Okay. Monogenic parasite. Monogenic parasite. Okay. That means what happened now? It has these parasite. It has only one host. Only one host. Okay. Only one host. It has only one host, that is man. That is man. Okay, human beings. Man nothing but what ma? Human beings. Human beings, right? This is a very important thing. It has only one host, that is man, that is human beings. Now, next step what ma? Transmission. Transmission. Okay now. Transmission means what ma? It is transferred from, it is infected from, it is transferred from one person to other person. One person to other person. One person to other person. How? Okay. One person to other person through what ma? Okay. Through, you know very well. That is contaminated food. Contaminated food and water. Contaminated food and water, right? How to infect? It is from one person to other person. Clear? Number one, what happened, ma? It is it is transmitted from one person to other person through what? Contamination. Okay, now don't go to batti. I'm saying that you must be observe the words. I'm saying that what I said, you must be observe the words. You must listen. Okay, simply it is infection, transmission, contaminated food, water, right? Clear? So that point don't go to batti. Already told what are the steps are there. Any other important steps you must be included, right? So one person to other person through the contamination of food and water. Understood? Next, coming to the point. So what next? Clinical symptoms. Okay. Clinical symptoms. Okay. So here, what are the clinical symptoms are there? First of all, these Giardia intestinalis, what happened, ma? To damage the mucosa and submucosa and blood layer of the small intestine. Right? So what happened, ma? This Giardia intestinalis parasite, which is to damage. For example, this is a intestine. Intestine, what happened, ma? Which contains mucosa layer. What happened, ma? Mukim, what do you want? Mucosa layer, submucosa layer, and blood layer also there. Right? So 3 layers are, that means totally the intestine which is made up of 3 layers. Internal layers are there. One is first one, mucosa, second one submucosa, third one blood layer. Completely these 3 layers are to damaged by this Giardia. Damaged by the Giardia intestinalis. That's why it is called Giardia intestinalis. Right? Very important thing. Clear? Okay. So to damage the mucosa, submucosa, and blood layer, that's why the person which is injured, that means the small intestine should be damaged. That's why the person which is suffering from abdominal pain. The person suffering from what, ma? Abdominal pain, number 1. What clinical symptom? What clinical symptoms, ma? Number 1, abdominal. Number 1, abdominal pain. Number 1, abdominal pain. Okay. Number 2, okay, fever. Same. Number 2, fever. Right. Number 3, what happened, ma? Loose motions. Loose motions. But whereas in amoebiasis, mucus blood motions to be takes place. That means sticky motions are there. More sticky motions, less loose motions are takes place in amoebiasis. But whereas in giardiasis, what happened, ma? Loose motions also takes place. That is very important. Clear? And next, ma, loss of appetite. Loss of appetite. Loss of appetite. Loss of LOS is loss appetite. So APPITITI. APPITITI. So loss of appetite. So this is one of the symptoms. And dizziness also. Dizziness. Dizziness means laziness. Dizziness means what, ma? Laziness also to be suffering from the person. Right. One more clinical symptom, that is anemia. What, ma? Anemia. Completely the Giardia to be taking our food material completely. That's why anemia. The person loss of nutrition, deficiency of nutrition. The person suffering from the disease is called anemia. So this patient also suffering from anemia. Right? Okay, here, and sometimes it will be caused to what happened, ma? It leads to appendicitis also. Appendicitis also should be occur, right? These are the important of clinical symptoms. So completely these clinical symptoms leads to what disease? Giardiasis. These clinical symptom leads to what, ma? Giardiasis, right? Very, very important that these clinical symptoms leads to what disease, beta? What disease? Giardiasis. Right?
Giardiasis.
Yes. Okay, nice. This is an important point. Okay. Next, sometimes, okay, very, very important. Here note will be asking some in examination note. Okay, what you must know the special point. So in which stage, already told yesterday, right? Mammaliated eggs are transmitted from one person to other person. That is amoebiasis. Whereas in giardiasis, that is tetrangulate state. What ma? Tetrangulate. Tetrangulate. Tetrangulate state. Tetrangulate state that means four cell chamber. Four celled stage of pot to be infected from one person to other person, right? That is to be affected on, that means on food and water. That water, that food material we should be eating, we should be drinking. So what happened now? We are affecting that giardiasis, right? Which stage? Tetrangulate stage. Tetra. Tetra, TETRAMCU. Okay. Tetrangulate. That means four. It is infected from one person to another person, right? So that is important about the stage. Now, so clinical symptoms is completed. Now let us come into the point. Fourth step. So what happened now? Fourth step, you know very well. Lab diagnosis. What happened now? Lab diagnosis. Okay, done. Lab diagnosis means what? Lab diagnosis. Okay. Identification of this. Lab diagnosis, but identification of this disease, determination of this disease by determination of this disease or examination of this disease by stool examination. Number one. Number two, biopsy. Same. What happened, ma? Number two, number one, stool examination. Stool examination in stool. What happened, ma? Stool, nothing but fecal material. In fecal material, tetrangulate. What happened, ma? Tetrangulate eggs are there. That means tetrangulate eggs are present in the fecal material and stool. The person compulsory suffering from what, ma? Giardiasis. Just now yesterday I told you mammaliated egg. Mammaliated eggs also look like a tetrangulate. Mammaliated eggs also look like tetrangulate states, right? That is a very important thing. It is okay in the tetrangulate state of the fecal material. So we should consider the person suffering from giardiasis. Number one. Biopsy. That means small intestine biopsy. What happened, ma? Which ma? Small intestine biopsy also. Number two, biopsy. What is meant by biopsy? Do you remember one thing? What is biopsy? Biopsy nothing but. So we are taking the tissue of the small intestine for live. So live tissue taking from the body, live body for the identification, for the determination of the disease. That tissue is called biopsy. What happened, ma? The tissue is called biopsy. Remembering one thing. Once I repeat, okay, for the examination of, for the determination of for disease purpose, okay, identification of the disease purpose, we are taking a small live tissue from the any live body. Here we are taking the tissue from small intestine, right? Okay, understood? Try to understand. So from the small intestine already damaged by the giardia, na? Already told you, mucosa, submucosa, blood layer also to be damaged. From that area, we are taking the tissue. So in the tissue, giardia is there. Okay, now tissue exam, live tissue examination for the identification of disease is called biopsy. Biopsy. What is meant by bio? Bio means live. Okay. Apsy means what happened, ma? For the disease identification purpose, we are taking live tissue from the injured part. That live tissue method is called what, ma? What? Shirisha, Samrin, Vara. Okay.
Biopsy.
Biopsy. Salma.
Yeah.
That is called what, ma? Biopsy. Clear? Understood? Now, coming to the point. See, fourth, biopsy and stool examination is completed, right? Next step. Next step. What step? Next step.
Treatment.
Treatment.
Okay. Treatment, you know very well. See, what is the treatment? See, here we are writing treatment. treatment. Okay. What is the treatment? Already told you. Because of remembering one thing, especially those who are peoples are affected with contaminated food and water. Those are the peoples who are affected contaminated food and water. Same drug you must be implement. What is the drug? Metronidazole, T-nidazole, U-nidazole. What are the drugs, ma? Metronidazole, metronidazole. Okay, number one. T-nidazole, T-nidazole. U-nidazole. What beta? U-nidazole. Right. So this is a fantastic drugs. So by using of this metronidazole, T-nidazole, and U-nidazole, these wonderful drugs for the protozoal parasite, those who are the people are affected for the contaminated food, right? So these, by using of these metronidazole and T-nidazole and U-nidazole, the disease must be cured within the short period of 4 to 5 days, right? It will be cured. Clear? So that is one of the important drugs for curing of the disease. Right. Now, next step what ma? Prevention and prophylaxis. Prevention and prophylaxis. Remember one thing. Okay. What is prevention and prophylaxis? Prevention and prophylaxis. Prevention and prophylaxis. Okay, now. Prevention and prophylaxis. That is 3P. Prevention and prophylaxis. Okay. Number one step what? Already told you. Same repeat. Prevention better than treatment. Prevention better than what ma? Treatment. Salma.
Treatment.
Got my concept, Salma?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Prevention better than treatment. That is first step. Okay, now the second step. How the disease is affected? Come on, tell me. The disease which is transferred from infection from one person to the other person. What happened, ma? Through contaminated food and water, ma. Avoid of contaminated food and water. Contaminated food and water. That is one of the important. That is one of the prevention. You know very well now pandemic situation. How to? There is no vaccine. There is no vaccine of pandemic situation of COVID-19 right now. Okay, but how to prevention? Come on, tell me. Anybody can say? Anybody can say how to control that COVID-19? There is no vaccine, na? Come on, tell me.
Yes,
Social distance,
social distance, sir. With
social
mask.
distance, sanitizing,
Mask.
Very good.
Clean
That's simply
environment.
SMS. Simple what, ma? SMS.
SMS.
Very good.
Mask.
So, social distance.
Sanitizer, mask.
Sanitizer, mask.
Yes for social distance. M for mask. S for
Social.
Sanitizer.
Sanitizer.
SMS. Whether you must be care this SMS, you must be follow this SMS. Whether you are going to outside, okay. So the COVID-19, whatever it may be, any virus, okay, whatever it may be, any disease should not so enter your body. Remember one thing, ma. Same here also. Yes, that means physical distance. Did the right? Physical nothing but social distance, like 2-meter distance. Clear? So here are prophylaxis, prevention prophylaxis. So that trying to understand any disease you must be right. So you must be involving from yourself. You must be involving yourself. The subject is very easy. Subject is very easy. Don't go to patti. Don't go to prevention. What ma? Prevention prophylaxis first. Prevention better than treatment.
Treatment.
COVID also.
Avoid contaminated food and water.
Second one, avoid of contaminant because of the how to taking of the disease means contaminated food and water. Na? Avoid of contaminated food and water. That is second step. Okay. Third, so how to, come on tell me, how to the food and water to be contaminated? Come on tell me. See, the food and water should be contaminated by the stool. Na? Those are people are going to. What happened, ma'am? So external toilets, external bathrooms. There is no use of bathrooms. Okay, so that's why the stool, that means something, so many insects are to be contaminated to one food to another food. That's why Okay, avoid of external toilets only according to Swachh Bharat Mission. Okay, so that is avoid of toilets, and your surrounding areas must be clean and hygiene. But beta, your surrounding areas must be clean and hygiene.
Hygiene.
Important. Clear. Next, fourth, what happened now? How to, if it is a food item is there, if the food item is there, if the food item is there, how to control, how to contaminate? Come and tell me. It should be contaminated by something mosquitoes, something cockroaches, something what happened now? You know very well, flies, house flies, right? So that food should be covered by. The food should, after cooking, the food should be covered. The water, whatever it may be, food, the food should be covered by what happened now? One net also. One net also, right? One net also, that should be protected to ourselves, protected that food material. So that is very safely, right? So you must be go to any sweet shop, you must be go to any centers, right? So there is no, that is the external food tiffin centers are there nowadays. So don't eat that type of food items. Those, because of that food items are preparing like what happened now? So beside of the drainage. So avoid of that food items where the ursu or jatara, any mass gathering areas, don't eat. Don't eat. So this is the one thing. And next, last climax. Last climax, what ma? So clean and hygiene of your surrounding areas. Clean the environment, save the environment, save the future, save the unlimited generation, right? This is the climax of this is the Giardia intestinalis, right? I hope understand all of you this Giardia intestinalis. Got my concept? Okay, Shirisha, tell me, fatafat.
Okay, sir. First, caused by Giardia's intestinalis, sir, and affected organs, small intestine, especially an alimentary canal. It is monozytic parasite. It has only one host and man. It is affected only man, and symptoms transmission through food material. Transmission to food material, one person to another person through food material, and symptoms abdominal pain. Next, loose motions. Next, it is affected on mucosa, submucosa, and blood layers. That's why loose motions occur. Next, lab diagnosis, stool examination, biopsy. Next, treatment, metronidazole, T-nidazole, U-nidazole. Next, prevention, avoid other outside food material through clean environment, use toilets. Sir, over, sir.
Fantastic, Shirisha. Very much, ma. You were fantastic answer. So, okay, yes, Mahalakshmi, nice. You are responding. It occurs. It is infected from 1% to the percent. The stage is called tetrangulate stage. Okay, so right.
Yes.
Thank you, Maha. Thank you very much. Thank you, Shirisha. Thank you, Samrin. And one more important point I forgot. So, in so many times asked the question, NEET level, group 1 level, group 2 level, or any other examination. Right. So, one climax which I will give you. So, what is it? The climax? See, this Giardia intestinalis looking like, so this Giardia intestinalis looking like, what happened now? So this Giardia intestinalis looking like, okay, like, you know there. So, tell me, Mahalakshmi. So come on, tell me how it is looking like this structure. Come on, tell me. Mahalakshmi is there? Not there. Okay. Anyone can say now. Varalakshmi, Mahalakshmi, Deepthi, Gayatri, Bahrin. Water drop? No water drop. No water drop. Okay, Samrin.
Cockroach.
Funny. Any shape. Gayatri. Come on, tell me. Anyone can say quick, fast. Sandeep.
Cone shapes.
Cockroach.
Cone shape. Okay. Next.
Next.
Cockroach shape. Okay.
Rod shape.
Mahalakshmi. Okay. No cockroach. So looking like face. I'm asking about the structure. This is the eyes, huh? This is the eyes.
Eyes.
All eyes.
Ah,
All
eyes.
eyes, sir.
Tell me.
All eyes are exam.
Okay. So I would like to reveal. No problem, Varalakshmi. And anyone can say Kim, Swapna, and Shravani. So Shravani and yes, Swapna. So I am saying that Shiki, I am saying that Anita. Okay. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఆన్ చేస్తారు సార్ వీడియో ఆన్ చేయమని చెప్పిన ఆన్ చేస్తారు కదా right. Okay, you must be on your videos, right? So it is looking like a grand old man. What ma?
What?
Yes, it is looking like grand old man face. Grand old man face, like that's very very important. It is a common name. Common name. Write it. Note it. Okay na? First note. Grand old man of Einstein. What ma? What is it? So it is called grand old
Old man.
man of intestine. Intestine. Grand
Sir, it is
man
looking
of
old.
intestine. What beta? Grand old man of intestine. Remembering one thing. Okay. So what beta? It is looking like a grand old man. It is looking like what ma? Grand old man. Imagine it. Just imagine it. That's why it is called, the common name is called what beta? Grand old man of intestine. Grand old man of intestine. So it is caused to human being. The disease is called giardiasis. This is the complete points about so giardiasis. I think hope understood. So total all steps. Okay. Any disease you can take ma same steps. Just to note it. And complete of this protozoal disease, you must be just imagine visualization. You must be write your proper notes, right? Don't go to butty. I'm saying that what I saying you must observe. What I wrote in the on the board, you must be observed, right? Kirit, thank you very much for your. I respect your time. I respect your attitude. I respect your. So I think healthy environment today. So pleasant, fantastic responding. Okay, so thank you very much. So now the time start of ending time. Okay, so this is Krishna HOD of Zoology signing out.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, notes, sir.
What ma?
Notes లేదా sir?
1 minute.